membership level gets you a free the free items. So you'll be able to enjoy those. Some of them are videos, but as you see, we also have this infused banana pudding recipe. Okay, we got an infused banana recipe. Now we know Six Bows just had that how to make banana pudding recipe on her channel the other day, but we been had an infused banana pudding recipe for y'all. So get up on that, right? Get up on that. Speaking of Six Bows, she must be busy with the baby this morning because she ain't popped in to say hi yet. But hell, you know how that goes. We have more things to do. But like I said, of course, now with the extras, you can set this up for however you want things to be set up. You can produce free extras. You can price out things that you want to sell on or things that you do sell on whatever you do. You see what I'm saying? You can put your products and services right here on Buy Me a Coffee. Shout out to Buy Me a Coffee being more than just, hey, I'm a YouTuber. No, I'm an actual entrepreneur, as they say, because we got a whole cultivation business. Shout out to the cultivation business because for those who've been paying attention, we started our cultivation LLC May 5th, 2023. So we coming up on 2 years and 2 days. So that's exactly why we on here promoting Buy Me a Coffee anyways, because we letting y'all know, hey, your boy doing stuff that you should be supporting. And I ain't gotta be Carmelo Anthony to be on the news this week, right? Right. You dig? uh, Anyways, let's keep it going. Y'all see, we got extras on here for days too. Like I said, anything you want to make an extra about, feel free to go ahead and do it. Worst thing you gonna get is some support, okay? Worst thing you gonna get is some support. We used to the haters because we got them on YouTube. You dig? Why are you making videos if you watching other videos? That's stealing. It's not stealing. America itself was stolen. Hell, there were people living here, and then other people came in and just took over. That's what we do with content. If we review it, we just came in and took over. But hell, we'll give the people the respect of letting you know we're watching their video by watching their video. But like I said, we got plenty of freebies on here. Y'all see free things all throughout these lists. You'll see things with prices, then you'll see things for free. You'll see things free for members and things you might want to just get in general, right? Oh, then the good thing is you can also have membership pricing, okay? Membership pricing. That's another thing. You can either give it to the members for free or based upon their levels, you can give them pricing. Hey, you gotta figure this out because I've already did everything on Buy Me a Coffee. Shouts out to, like I said, I've got everything filled out for you. Shouts out to the cheat sheet because monetization coaches should be able to give you that one thing, right? You get a few codes, it'll help you play the game better. Then you'll actually do what we said, pay more attention because it's free, right? Pay more attention because it's free, and then you'll be having better commissions in your business. Speaking of which, y'all already know we got some big boy commissions out here because we do big boy things. Okay, I'm glad it's not even showing the price on these two items because y'all already know they probably worth it. You dig? Hey, we ain't gonna talk too much about them, but commissions are a great thing because, like I said, you set you up some commissions as far as your products and services, and then people can just get the ones that fit for them. Get the ones that fit for them, right? Right. We trying to hide them numbers from you, so y'all don't be trying to steal all my sauce. You ain't got to steal all the sauce. You can get some previews. You can see what they actually doing, and then you'll be like, "Man, he's right about that. Hey, that dude gonna get that bag." Shouts out to that BAG, bold, ambitious, and generous. We gonna be that out here in the streets because that's been a motto. Yeah, I'm glad they let me hide them numbers from you because if you want to see what these things is going for, go get them. But right here is one of those things that I do promote. Shouts out to these Yokins because I actually am enrolled in their affiliate program. I keep telling y'all, hey, if I tell you I'm in their affiliate program, that means you could be in there too. Hey, you ain't got to be like, well, I'm not trying to outsell popcorn, or you can let me know, hey, how many did you sell this week? Because friendly competition is always encouraged. Okay, hell, I could always do better. Hell, I could actually get on here and actually start doing yoking consultations because that's great content. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to big me in the building. Hell, I keep telling y'all, we got examples out here for you. That's why it's a monetization video today.